Thank you for joining me today while I demonstrate to you how to wind a perfectly tight bobbin with the Julie Hall Design Stitch-A-Majigs bobbin winder. The unit needs to be plugged in, and it has an Australian plug that comes with it, and the unit fits all standard size bobbins. The only bobbin that I have found that doesn't fit in there at the present time is the Husqvarna pink bobbin. The other thing that you'll need is you will need a portable thread stand to hold your bobbin. Once I've got my thread, to hold your thread. Once I've got my thread on the stand, all I'm going to do is wrap the thread around the tension disc before feeding it into the bobbin, placing the bobbin on the spindle, turning the unit on and pressing go. I do like to trim off once it's done a couple of stitches. These are just the nearest scissors that are near to me, before continuing. Now when you wind your bobbin, what you need to do is look at how full the bobbin is getting. Once the bobbin is full, or as full as you need, you do need to turn it off. Otherwise it will fill right out to the edges here, which is obviously more than you will need. So now that my bobbin is coming close to wound, all I do is stop by pressing the start button again, pull the bobbin off and cut with the included cutter, and I've got a perfectly wound and nice and tight bobbin. One of the things that I love about this unit is just how tight and perfectly the bobbins are wound. You can collect your unit from Stitch-A-Majigs at Julie Hall Designs. Until next time, have a stitching day. Thank you. Bye.